Don't judge me for this. Before we get into this weekly vlog, I need to tell you about what I'm wearing right now. It is the perfect thing for when it's not winter cold, but it's getting there, but it's not summer yet. You know what I mean? I found it. I found the perfect thing for that. This is the blue tie-dye long sleeve Oodie sleep tee. It is so comfortable. So this is basically just the same Oodie that we all know and love, but it just doesn't have this Sherpa fleece on the inside. So it's got like a really light breathable material. So it's still got the huge pocket. It's got the cuff sleeve, same length as a regular Oodie. No matter what Oodie you get, whether it's this like thinner, more breathable one or the really thick, cozy winter one, they're all machine washable. The color never fades. Like I've had my pink one for like 2 years and the color is still the exact same. You can just chuck it in the wash, and that's so important to me. Like I don't want to be going to a dry cleaner every month. When I buy something like this, like it's literally an investment. Like it's gonna last me so long. Like why not just get something that's not gonna fade? So definitely go and treat yourself to an Oodie. So you can head to the link in my description for the entire range, and I actually have a discount code for you guys. It is Darby Alex 35, and that will get you $35 off anything on the site. So I highly recommend you get one of these. And yeah, let's get into the vlog. Good morning and welcome back to another weekly vlog. It is currently Sunday, and as you can see, I've set myself up here in the lounge room and I'm doing a little paint by numbers thing just to calm the nerves for the week, because there's a lot of new changes going on. I'm doing a lot of updates to my content, my channel, and I've also got a few extra things going on in my life. So we're just gonna refresh for the week, calm down, listen to some Taylor Swift, and paint. So I got this cute little paint by numbers kit from Kmart for like $15 maybe, and it has all of these like really cute like plant. You probably can't even see that. Just gonna have a nice chill Sunday morning, and we're probably gonna go to the beach for Sabo. If you can hear like gross plastic chewing things, Cosmo's chewing on a bone right here. Just breathe, just relax, it'll be okay. I've got my money on things going badly. And you wanna scream, don't call me kid. Look at this godforsaken mess that you made me. Got him. Literally bugs everywhere in my house. What a song. Once a year, I'm getting geared to pull my life together. Dressing ready, let's go out. It's so warm in this car. Got my story straight down to the T. Now I'ma set your house on fire. Oh! I'm so embarrassed that this song came on the vlog. It's already started now, I've got to keep playing it. Don't judge me for this. I always feel like straightening my hair just takes forever. But but it's done now. So a few vlogs ago, I mentioned that Rowan was building a little table behind the couch, and this is the finished product. I think it looks so good. We have so many plants and bonsais on the top at the moment. I love that he can build things like that. I love that this home just feels so like natural, is that the word? But yeah, this is the finished table behind the couch, which I absolutely love. And Rowan said I can start stacking some books across there, so I think that's what I'm gonna do now.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers.
It's currently Wednesday afternoon, and honestly, I am so exhausted from this week. I've started something really new in this town, and it's exciting, it's fun. Thanks. Thank you. Okay. So my freelance business isn't bringing in as much money as I would like, so I have gone out and got a part-time job. It is so much information being a new person at any job. Everyone I work with is so lovely, but being a new person anywhere, it's hard. It's a hard thing. And I have a lot less time at home now, so I'm finding that the house is really dirty, which is not a vibe. I hate dirty spaces. I hate unorganized messes. I'm just honestly trying to find balance between home and work life, and obviously Cosmo doesn't get enough attention because he's literally all over me these days. He just he just wants to play all the time. If I seem like I'm in a bit of a down mood, I am just so exhausted because my routine has changed. Yeah, I've literally got an unmade bed behind me. I have an entire laundry basket full of washing that needs doing. The whole kitchen is dirty. The floors need a good vacuum and a mop, and it's just, I'm used to having all day to like keep the house clean and keep Cosmo entertained, but now I don't have as much time, and I'm just finding that everything just looks so dirty. Thanks. Oh! So my camera started crackling at this point because I've dropped it so many times, but here I was just saying that every week isn't always sunshine and rainbows, and there are going to be hard weeks, and this week is one of those really hard weeks for me.
Welcome to a special edition of the Tony and Ryan podcast.
Set up a bloody camera by now, the amount that I vlog. Validity of visa. Those two measly little questions are done. 8 more sections of this.
It'll just be an absolute pain.
Proceed to section 3. Woohoo! Firstly, don't look at my hair. Secondly, why is getting a visa the most difficult thing? Like, I just spent 3 hours on the phone with my mum going through this visa application process. Why is it like this? Why is it such a stressful process? I don't understand. Anyway, that is all done. I need to go and print that all off and get all my documents together. And then I'll finally have all of that sorted, which will be really good. As you can see, I am tired of this. Like, the bags under my eyes. Anyway, we have a really exciting weekend planned. We're going to Perth and we're going to go spend the weekend with some friends, which will be really nice. And yeah, I'm really excited for a little road trip tomorrow. I'm going to bring you along, of course. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is currently Saturday. We are off on our road trip and we got snacks. Best ones first, the raspberry bullets, cheese and onion chippies, sriracha chips, and some Smarties. Excited?
Very excited.
The dash cam's mine.
Lick it.
No, I'm not licking it. Do you? Question, if your dash cam was broken, would you lick this for it to like re-stick?
Broken.
It is broken, like the suction's broken. If your dash cam seal wasn't sticking to the window anymore, would you lick it to reattach it? Because I think that's a bit silly, but Rowan said it works like a charm. I'm not gonna try it. Do you wanna try it? Our first podcast of the trip is gonna be Tony and Ryan, and then the second one, possibly Jordan Peterson.